Office Jong district election haga khatway trik mentau banai no pra arjar arpulai kelas dang ye gajing pen sngo thu pai ba ahlor gajing Pyndonkam ye electronic voting machine ban pen kre e gajing tap vote sya ka lok sabha hakani ka sngi la ka we lama ye ka kalivan da ka DC East Khasi district ka kong RM kurba ringkat gajing don lang kinong ye lam jeng giseng sign per thai ba pher gajing thmu bokong san ka long ban pen sngo thu pai ba e ka rukam Pyndonkam ye ki EVM Kaniga van kan sedang banyak shikaling ki jak hatep vote ban pinsngau thu iki pai ba Kumno ban Pyndonkam ye ke EVM na ka benta ke election Lok Sabha.
As the electoral democracy van set forth on the mission to empower and educate our communities, let us reflect on the significance of this moment. This initiative marks a crucial step towards fostering awareness and understanding of our electoral process. Thank you all for being part.
By each one of us, you've not left us on our own. Thank you so much. Thank all the sector officers present here. There are 102 of you, and I know it's very time-taking for you out of your busy schedule in your respective departments. But this is a very important exercise that we have to do. We are a very huge democratic country, and we require each one of us to participate to ensure that we have a foolproof system. And when I say about a foolproof system, we are in a day where we are using these electro voting machine, the EVMs, and here if we look back from the time when it started very early in the early 90s. The first time that we used EVMs in our country was for the state election in Goa in 1999. Thereafter, they were used because of the successful exercise in Goa. It was also extended to other states, both by-election, state election in 2003, and thereafter in 2004 for the MP elections. So you can understand the the importance of educating our people to ensure that they know how to use these machines, and that these machines have been proven. A lot of people have, criticized them, have kind of, have doubted them, the use of these EVMs, but it has been proven time and again. And today, as I say, in our country, we have about 96 million voters, who's going for the election, Lok Sabha 2024 elections. And the number is still counting. We are still in the process of enrollment is there. Even though we've just finished the special summary revision, you all know, and you participated. We are on a continuous process until the last day of the time when the MC takes place, and when the actual process starts, when we stop the enrollment. So with this, I thank my entire team, all the enumerators and staff for being here with us today. And coming to our own district, at the 13 polling station, and about almost crossing 6 lakhs voters. And again, still counting, because we still have new enrollment that's taken place. And I wish that all the 6 lakhs plus voters come out in the next MP election. We all know that during the recent state election, MLA election. We had a very huge turnout, which is almost 80 plus percent. 80 plus percent. So we look forward that even in Lok Sabha 2024, I appeal to all the citizens of the state who have enrolled themselves and who have got the the names in the electoral roll to kindly come forward and use your, make your voice heard. This is very important. We have to exercise our right. We have to ensure that, we select. And this is a privilege which we should not let go. So with this, we are starting these 5 bands today in East Khasi Hills as a phase 1. Definitely, as Ronnie was saying, we will definitely have a second and third phase maybe. As and when that happen, I really look forward for the, all the concerned people out there who have attained the age of 18 to come forward to, experience this very exciting moment, where your vote really matters. And you can check, how it operates, and you will witness with your own eyes that, everything is foolproof. There should be no doubt in any citizens that these machines are foolproof. We've already done the first level checking in the presence of the political party. People from the ECIL had come here, and also the entire team, dedicated team with full coverage, from all corners. It has been covered, and the CCTV. So after doing that, today we have, of course, after that immediately we have already segregated those machines. These have already been tested. These machines are foolproof, as I said. They've already been tested during the first level checking. Now they will be on the road for people to see for themselves, and thereafter, this machine will not be used for the election. For all of you to know, they will not be used for election. They are used strictly for training purposes and awareness. So for any person, any citizen after this exercise who wants to come forward to our office, they can do so and try out the machine on their own. For this, we'll earmark a room for that, so that people can come at any point of time during working hours, of course, for checking on the machine. So with this, I take this opportunity to launch these 5 bands for East Khasi Hills, and I wish that they will be of great value and great, kind of empowerment and confidence building for our people, so that they should not at any point of time doubt the election process of the country.